I've never had anything of mine get recalled before, so this is going to be kind of interesting. Taking my car to the dealership now. I hope this doesn't take too long because I have to work in the afternoon. But, I mean, I don't have to pay for anything, which is nice, but I hope it doesn't take too long to fix, you know, whatever they have to fix.
Correct. Quick signature down there. That just acknowledges that you know about the damage and stuff like that.
Back home now, car's getting fixed. They said it would take a couple hours or something, so I've got some time to kill. My car's ready, so it's time to go get it. Well, that feels really good to get done. Now it is time for work. So I'm done with work, and I have to get home really quick or else I'm going to miss the beginning of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. But I can't run because I've been losing weight, and so my pants will literally just drop to the ground if I start just making haste. So the struggles of life I have to go through right now. Five bites has been eaten, shower's been had, I'm ready to chill. I feel like I actually did some productive things today, though. It feels really nice getting my car fixed like that. I learned that it had a recall on it like last year, but then when I called, they didn't have the parts or something like that. And so then I had to wait until a couple weeks ago when I got another letter, and then I just kind of put it off until now. So, feels really good to get that done. But, then, you know, it's always nice going to work and, you know, making a little more money that I can put towards LA and all that stuff. So, good things. We'll see you guys tomorrow.